For 5 days, travel photographer Angelo Mendoza and I went off the beaten path in the Cordilleras in search of unseen views and the most amazing light. Come along and see what we found. "6:40 a.m. It is April 9, Heroes Day, and we are off. Hey everybody, what's up? It's day 1 of our 5-day photography adventure here in the Cordilleras, and we're super excited because this is mostly an exploration. Alright, so just down the road we found this view deck along the Halsema, and there's just this incredible light happening just the whole 180 degrees. None of this, we've only planned the route, we didn't plan any of the stops, and we're just trying to, use the best of our skills and knowledge and creativity to get the coolest shots possible. But I'm super excited about this time-lapse I'm doing, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Got my time-lapse going on here. So you can see I'm using my graduated ND filter because you can see on this camera, which doesn't have one, there's a big difference between the brightness of the clouds at the top and how dark the valley is at the bottom. We've arrived at our base for day 1 in the town of Abatan, Bugyas, and as you can see, the atmosphere here is amazing. We've got the fog rolling in. It's just before midnight. The conditions aren't as clear as they were a few hours ago, so we decided to kind of take it easy and just start shooting time-lapse here from the view deck because it actually does have a direct view to the Milky Way. And so then we're gonna get up at around 4 and try to get a good sunrise. Hasn't been a perfect morning, so I think Angelo found the spot, but he gave me kind of wonky directions. At least I think they were wonky, and so I wasted maybe an hour. I missed the entire transition from dawn to sunrise, and I was really upset about that. I still am a little bit, but at the end of the day, the obstacle is the way, and what I have isn't so bad. I don't even know what to say. I finally found it, and I think I just missed him walking back. There he is. Pandesal is life.
8 pieces. And peanut butter.
Cheers. 11 a.m. It's time to move to our next location. The gas has been incredible for us, but there's still so much more to discover. Making our way down to explore Bauco Mountain Province. So we've just exited Benguet and we continue.
Gonna go down there, so it's gonna give us a nice side lighting for our subject. We'll have a nice light everywhere here.
From Abatan Bugyas, we are now in Abatan in Bauco, and it's been a little stressful because unlike Abatan in Bugyas, which had all of these like inns and all of these restos, this place has basically nothing for tourists. We had to ask around to even find a place to stay. There weren't any like, you know, off the main road, off the market. We couldn't find anything, and then we finally find this place, and we couldn't even find like anybody running the place. We just basically bounced around like a series of people until we finally got a room. The rooms are dirt cheap, but like as you can see, kind of like a den. We're gonna rest a little and find something beautiful. Update. I would describe conditions as becoming a little less than ideal, but there's still a chance that this thunderstorm could pass. This is our objective, and while the weather is not good, it actually looks pretty amazing.
I can see it. I can see the cloud isn't just one cloud na lang. It's like there's a separation.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Come on. We get the paleo.
Oh my God! Yan ang isa sa pinakakabigha-bighaning bagay na nakita ko sa Pilipinas. Wow! So we've been going around trying to figure out... Shut up! Going around trying to figure out a way to get a really good angle of this mountain that aligns with the sunrise or the sunset.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Cervantes.
So yeah, I think we succeeded in our objective of finding the viewpoint, and
We have these great conditions. Sky is a bit clearing up, and then we have these rain clouds over there, and they're just enough and not too thick.
what do you see? What is it? Uh-oh. Let's go, dude. All right. I think we gotta go. It's drizzling. It's coming, it's coming. Oh, we're here, dude. Mountains are crazy. Mountains are crazy. Yeah, man.
No words, bro.
And just when we thought the day was over and it was gonna be all fog, we're treated to a scene so beautiful, so unique, and so hard to explain that this camera can't even capture it. Wow. It's too much. The things we've seen and experienced today individually would have made this whole trip worth it. And it's only day 2, and there were 3 or 4 of these moments, and this may be so far the best one of all. So grateful. So grateful. Because every time I think it's over, it's not. What we're having right now is a downright spiritual experience. Good morning, it is day 3 and I am here at my first location for the day, back at the exact location that we found yesterday, and just as we had hoped for, conditions this morning are absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm running a time lapse as the sun starts to come in from over there. The sun is rising over there, and we should get a beautiful time lapse of the sun lighting up this peak. Angelo is down there looking for his compositions for safety so that we don't get lost. We have walkies. So I'm just doing here is I'm doing a very gentle dolly out to just reveal a little bit of this foreground to really get a sense of the dimension of this really dramatically shaped mountain. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching part 1 of our photo exploration of the Cordilleras. We worked so hard on this and it really means a lot to us that you've watched to the end. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe because that really helps, and stay tuned for part 2 which is coming next week, or you can already watch it by clicking over here. Until then, keep exploring and making beautiful things. See you next time.